Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. PacTool Gable Scribe. This is designed to accurately capture difficult-to-measure Gable angles. Place the Gable Scribe into the Gable, adjust the capture angle, and tighten the fastener. Transfer the Gable Scribe to the workpiece to be cut. This is designed to guide PacTool's handheld shears for a straight and accurate cut. Using the Gable Scribe provides a finished cut that matches the contour of the Gable. Leaving an even professional finish eliminates unsightly gaps. Accurately capture angles from 0 to 90 degrees. Easy adjustment. Sturdy aluminum construction 30-inch cutting guide. The PacTool's Texas Twister Kit. This kit is an innovative U-shaped bit design that effectively converts your air hammer from a pusher to a puller in seconds, giving you the power and convenience you need to make short work of many pulling jobs. Have an axle that needs to come out? Forget the slide hammer. Texas Twister will remove it with these. Stubborn injectors refuse to break free. Save the clunky pullers a few seconds with the Texas Twister on it, and the job is done. Whether it be hub bearings, hard-to-reach seals, and axle pinion flange, seized bolts, harmonic balancers, and old distributor, or just about anything else that needs to be pulled, the Texas Twister has declared war on seized parts, and they don't stand a chance. If the kit doesn't have the right attachment, you need no worries. We thought of that too. The Texas Twister comes with a standard thread puller adapter, so you can use many slide hammer attachments as well. Clamp on pallet forks. This clamp on pallet forks can hold loads up to 1,500 pounds, which means they can be applied to both agricultural and industrial sites. It's easy to use. Slide the fork over the cutting edge of the bucket and clamp it down to lock. The pallet fork is constructed of an all-steel structure, seamless welding technology, and a force divider, ensuring stability and durability. Perfect for fitting most loaders, tractors, and skid steers. It allows you to easily move fence posts, hay bales, and clear debris around your workplace. R2S Aircraft Recovery. The R2S single columns are available in a range from R2S3 to R2S12. It can lift up to 6 meters. Also, it is capable of lifting up to 22.5 tons with low-pressure aircraft lifting bags and up to 30 tons with a jack point adapter. R2S can lift in minutes instead of days. The fastest system in the world to prevent long closure times of the airport due to the ease of use and capability to lift in one shot. It is also a low-pressure lifting bag and a pneumatic jack-in-one. It is capable of following the lateral displacement of the new modern wing design without the need of special jacks. Kincrome Post Hole Digger. This is Kincrome Post Hole Digger is ideal for digging holes over spring and summer. This upgraded model is EPA approved and includes an upgraded gearbox design. The recoil start-stop stroke, 51.7 cc, provides enough power to get the job done. The direct drive power heat delivers high torque performance while drilling holes. The post hole digger includes butterfly handles to provide a safer grip on the auger while in use, and a shock-absorbing safety spring for additional user safety when drilling. The post hole digger includes one 150mm tungsten tipped auger bit with a high carbon steel cutting face and carbon wind vane to suit most applications. BEAMNOVA 2-in-1 sheet metal shrinker and stretcher. There's no need for two different machines for metal stretching and shrinking. Just replace a part when in need, saving storage space. BEAMNOVA Metal Shrinker Stretcher features powerful steel jaws that curve or angle mild steel up to 18 gauge or aluminum up to 16 gauge. Compound 45UN leverage allows effortless forming without making relief cuts, heating, or hammer forming. It can deal with 16-gauge mild steel, 20-gauge stainless, and 16-gauge aluminum. The thickness can also up to 1.2 millimeters. It is designed with a cast iron body for long service life. Milwaukee Paint and Detailing Color Match Light. This paint and detailing color match light has the best LED color quality and runtime of any handheld color match light. This light features a 98+ color rendering index in 5 color temperatures to mimic natural sunlight. The 5 color temperature options provide a full spectrum of sunlight from early morning to midday and are overcast. This light has 1000 lumens of output with an 98+ color rendering index to illuminate metallics and imperfections in the paint. Switch between 3 output modes within each color temperature for optimal control. The compact size is designed for handheld maneuverability, paired with a powerful magnet for storage. This light is corrosion resistant to most chemicals found in paint and body shops, drop rated to heights of 6 feet, and I-54 ingress protected against dust and water, guaranteed by a 5-year tool warranty. Primegrip Knuckle Saver. It keeps your knuckles clear and safe while cutting shingles. Its curved grip allows you to cut around caps, dormers, and tight corners easily. Attach a lanyard to the lanyard hole and never misplace your knife again. It bolsters long-lasting's reinforced bottom edge and her golden Primegrip medallion fastener for quick and efficient blade changing. The blade clip holder keeps spare blades firmly in place and prevents them from rattling around. Keep your hands safe and clear damage with the Primegrip Knuckle Saver. Kincrome Professional Bearing Packer. The Kincrome Professional Bearing Packer will perform the normally messy job fast and trouble-free. Simply push down on the cap of the Kincrome Bearing Packer. Then grease is evenly injected into the bearing case, while at the same time ejecting any old contaminated grease. In cold weather, and when using thicker grease, more force may be needed, so the packer is able to be placed in a vise to provide the extra power required. Kincrome Bearing Packer wheel pack bearings of up to 90 millimeters in diameter and compact more than 50 bearings before requiring a refill. Kincrome always provides you with the best tools for the job, and a new bearing packer is no exception. BEAMNOVA Upgraded Chain Drum Lifter. The top hoop and the wide ring make the chains work great with forklifts or cranes. Just clamp and lift. No additional accessories are required. Each G80 manganese steel chain is able to lift a barrel up to 1,102 pounds. The hook clamps are made of thickened alloy steel. There are springs inside, which automatically lock the barrel edge steadily without causing any damage to the drum. It is designed for easier and faster lifting of 30 and 55 gallons of closed metal and plastic drums. Significantly increase the efficiency of loading or unloading in warehouses or farms. Unavailable for lifting open drums or plastic drums with hose clamps. Thickened and widened spring-loaded carbon steel hook ensures a secure grasp to the drum without causing any damage. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.